Today on Problem Solved, I'm gonna show you how to get the most out of your grill. And then later, we're turning this grill into a pizza oven. Hot dogs are a grilling staple, but on these grates, they're so unruly. Get back here. This is how to grill the ultimate hot dog. All you need are skewers. Now you wanna make sure you soak your skewers at least 30 minutes before you put them on the grill. That'll prevent them from burning. Space your dogs out a little bit, and we're gonna run the skewer right through. And for this, you can do as many dogs as you want. Ta-da! Just like that. Just lay them down and get grilling. No more rolling, and all your dogs are together. We can also use a skewer to spiral cut our hot dogs. The trick is getting it right down the middle. You're gonna take a knife, slowly rotate it around the hot dog. Pull it through, we've got our spiral dog. I like this because it's not only fun, but it'll help your dogs cook a little more evenly. The best part of the skewer method is that it makes the flip really easy. Skewer some veggie kebabs or mix it up and make some grilled pineapple. It's best to grill over a medium heat, that way everything cooks through and doesn't burn. These are gonna be so tasty. And that's how to use skewers to solve problems on the grill. Don't let your grill turn your burgers into this. Form your hamburger patties ahead of time and let those chill in the fridge at least 30 minutes. That'll help them cook more evenly and keep them juicy. Before they're ready to hit the grill, brush them with a high heat oil. I like to use grapeseed oil. Then add salt, pepper, and your favorite seasonings. Since burgers are prone to flare-ups, preheat your grill to get those grates nice and hot. Then you can turn a section off so there's no direct flame. And that's where you want to put your burgers. Without a direct flame, you won't get those flare-ups. You can even add an ice cube to the center to help even out the cook. Now you can close up the grill and let those cook. Let your burgers cook halfway through and flip them one time. A good sign that your burgers are done is when those juices run clear. You can see there's still a little red in the juice there. This is a great time to add cheese right before those burgers are finished. To trap that juice inside, let them rest at least 10 minutes before eating. Now that's a tasty burger. Here's a really easy way to add a little smoked flavor to your propane grill. We're gonna start out with some aluminum foil. Next, we're gonna add your favorite wood chips. These have been soaking in water for about 20 minutes. This will get folded up into a little packet. Tighten up these ends. Poke some holes in the top to release that smoked flavor. Now the easy part, just set it on the grill. Let this sit about 15 minutes or until it starts releasing smoke. And in the meantime, let's prep some chicken for our grill turned smoker. First, we're gonna coat that chicken with grapeseed oil. A high heat oil will help any seasoning stick and won't burn on the grill. Next, add a generous coating of your favorite rub. Make sure to get both sides. It's best to avoid any seasoning blends with sugar in it because that can burn. Ooh, I can smell that hickory already and it's starting to smoke. On your grill, you should have a high heat side and a low heat side. The chicken's gonna go on that low heat side. We want that chicken on lower heat because we're gonna close that lid. We don't want anything to burn. Now you might be tempted to put sauce on right now, but no, that comes later. That smoke packet will run out. So for longer cooks, you may need to make 2 or 3 more. This is just a backup, so I have one to swap when I need it later. Now after a thorough cook, we're ready to put on our sauce. Save that sauce for last so it doesn't burn. All that sauce needs is about a minute or 2 and then they're ready. Smoked barbecue chicken on a propane grill. A grill isn't just for chicken and ribs. Today, we're making pizzas. We're gonna start by grilling our pizza dough. We wanna cook one side of the dough first, flip it over, put our toppings on, and then grill it and finish it the rest of the way. All right, once one side of the dough is done, you're gonna just flip it off. Now it's time for toppings. Every good pizza starts with sauce. I think there's a whole chunk of garlic in here, yum. And lots of cheese, make it rain on there. I'm gonna add some of my favorite toppings like sauteed onions and some roasted peppers. Now we just need to cook the other side and melt those toppings. Ooh, look at that cheese crisping up. Time to enjoy a hot homemade pizza right as the sun sets. Look how good this came out, crispy on the bottom, delicious. Thanks for watching Problem Solved. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out some of our other videos like these 2 right here.